Hello everyone, here we are in another vlog in another location. We are in India, this time in Chennai. I'm here for the wedding of a friend of mine, her Indian wedding. So I'm very excited and I will try to show you as much as I can. By the way, I'm staying in an amazing hotel, so I'm not sure if you're interested in a room tour, but let me show you because it's amazing. So I have like a mini kitchen here with microwave, dishwasher. I even have like a fridge and wow, a washing machine. How convenient is that? This is the bathroom. Hey, the shower is like rain shower, which I hadn't tried it before, I think, or at least not this good. Like, it's amazing, and the power of the stream, wow. So yeah, and this is kind of a walk-in closet, I would like to think. Look how cool. And the room. Sorry if it's a little bit messy. Look how cool. And then I have like this balcony with some chairs, like to chill there, and the views of the city. And by the way, this pile of clothes here, like those are my outfits for the wedding. I'm very excited, they are tailored. So yeah, let's go. Starting the day with breakfast in the restaurants of the hotel. And then the rituals for the wedding already began. Here we have the bride and her sister getting henna on their feet. And us, the guests, could also get our own henna tattoos on our hands. Which was super cool because, I mean, if you're attending an Indian wedding, you want to do it right, yeah? Look how cool it looks all together. You can tell we were so happy. And here's my outfit check for day one. This is a lehenga that I bought online. It's tailored, so I had to send them my measurements so they could make it just for me. I literally felt like a Disney princess. Then the wedding started with some dinner. Everyone was so excited and looking gorgeous. Then we went to the big hall to receive the bride and the groom. By the way, she's half Ecuadorian, half German, and he's fully Indian. In this type of weddings, it's typical that the family and friends of the couple perform. First one was the mom of the groom. She did some kind of dance with her hands, telling a story. Here's the dad as well. I'm not gonna lie, it got me really emotional and I even cried. Then here's the bride, some of her friends, and me. We prepared a choreo featuring our different cultures. So we danced to Colombian, Ecuadorian, Spanish, and Brazilian music. Of course, we live in different parts of the world, so we had to rehearse all of this via Zoom. It was so much fun. I love performing. Some more dances. And party time. We had a DJ playing all kinds of Latin and Indian music, and we had a blast. Well, day two, and unfortunately last one of the wedding. Today is the actual ceremony where the groom and the bride tie the knot, and it's all about rituals that, to be honest, I cannot tell you about because I was a bit lost. Anyways, we arrived at the venue and they received us with some food and some music. And then the bride and the groom arrived in this cute and funny vehicle. First her family, then his. And all the rituals started. As I said, we didn't understand what was going on and they took hours. So meanwhile, we decided to go outside to the beach. And oh, by the way, I'm a mess and forgot to film my outfit check, so here it is. Today's garment was the sari. Wearing the traditional local clothes was my favorite thing of the wedding. So we're here in photo shoot mode while the ritual is taking place inside.
Eva, living life, the Indian vibe here.
And back inside, they were preparing the bride for the big moment. And here it is, officially husband and wife. But if you thought that meant that the rituals were over, you were wrong. They stayed doing their thing while the rest of us got dinner next door. It was very cool because they served us the food on banana leaves and guess what? No cutlery. So we had to eat Indian style with our own hands. Starting our tour in Chennai with the right music.
Yeah, this is the right song.
With the right tune. So basically the wedding is over and all the guests are leaving today. But before that, us five decided to book a taxi for the whole afternoon to visit Chennai. Wherever you go, do as you see. So here I am chilling with the locals. I think they're just chilling here and people watching. So yeah. It's actually so comfortable. The best thing you can do while in India, enter a supermarket to enjoy the AC and have some dance. Hey, nossa! What is that?
It's a technology in India. Come to India. Yeah. We'll make sure that you don't get hot and sweat.
Get one. All these little street stands with food and drinks. Apparently, the beach in Chennai is supposed to be like the longest in the world. It spans along 4 kilometers. And look how far away the water is and how fucking hot it is. Like, if you want to get to the water, it's gonna take you maybe half an hour. I don't know, it's super far away. Wow, it really looks like a desert. Oh, and of course, a trip to India is not a trip to India without some random people asking to take pictures with you. Wow, beautiful. Well guys, and that's a wrap. I'm so sorry because I'm a mess and forgot to film like a farewell for the video or something. So here's a random video of New Delhi's most famous mosque to wrap up this vlog. See you in the next one!